Meaning of double-click.
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 Double-click. Double-click refers to the action of quickly pressing the left button on a computer mouse or touchpad twice in succession. The result of a double-click varies depending on the context. For example, in a file manager, double-clicking on a file will generally open it. Double-clicking on an icon on the desktop may launch an application. In a web browser, double-clicking on a word may highlight it. Overall, double-clicking is a common input method used to initiate an action or select an item.